Hello friends, in this video we discuss about types of lenses. First of all, what is meant by lens? A lens is a transparent medium bound by two surfaces. There are different types of lenses. Out of these, there are only two types of lenses are most important. That is, one is convex lens and other is concave lens. Convex lens, a lens has two spherical surfaces which are bulging outwards, is called as convex lens or double convex lens. The lens with both surfaces spherical on the inside is called a concave lens or double concave lens. Convex lens is thicker at the center, but it is thinner at its edges. Concave lens is thinner at the center than that of its edges. Convex lens is also called as converging lens because it converges light rays after refraction at a single point on the principal axis. That's why convex lens is also called as converging lens. Concave lens is also called as diverging lens because it diverges light rays after refraction. Means refracted rays don't meet at a single point on the principal axis. That's why it is called as diverging lens. So this is about convex lens and concave lens. Now we discuss about terminology related to lenses. First, center of curvature. Center of curvature is denoted by capital letter C. The centers of spheres whose parts form surfaces of the lenses are called center of curvature of the lenses. Each and every lens has two center of curvature, that is C1 and C2. Radius of curvature. The radii of the spheres whose parts form surfaces of the lenses are called the radii of curvature of the lens. R1 and R2 are the radii of the lens. Now principal axis. The straight imaginary line passing through the center of curvature is called the principal axis of the lens. Now optical center. The optical center is denoted by capital letter O. The point inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called the optical center of a lens. Principal focus. The principal focus is denoted by capital letter F. The light rays which are parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they meet at a single point on the principal axis, is called as principal focus of a lens. And lastly, the focal length. The focal length is denoted by capital letter F. The distance between the optical center and the principal focus of a lens is called as focal length. So this is about terminology related to lenses. Thank you.